Welcome to the mailFi Alexa configuration video. Launch your App Store. Search for Alexa. You'll recognize her by the iconic swirl, and choose Install or Enable. Update to the latest version, and then launch Alexa from your device. We're going to assume that you have an account. So enter your credentials. Once you're logged in the upper right-hand corner, expand the sidebar and choose Skills and Games. Once again, if I move too fast, please pause the video. In the search bar, search for Smart Life. You'll recognize it by the white framed house with Wi-Fi coming from the chimney. Choose Enable to use. Now enter your Smart Life credentials. If you don't have credentials, see the earlier video on configuring Smart Life. Then choose Link Now and Authorize. You'll get a notification that Smart Life has been successfully linked. Close the window to discover the home devices, and use the X in the upper left-hand corner. Click the Discover Devices, and Alexa will begin to look for devices. If none are found, go to All Devices, and you should see your mailFi sensor there. At this point, if you're having an issue, go back to Smart Life and verify that the sensor is working. If the sensor is working, launch Alexa and rediscover the device by going to Choose All Devices, then select your mailFi sensor. You'll see the status of your mailFi sensor. From the upper left-hand corner, choose the three lines again and select Routines. Click the plus button from the center of the screen or the upper left-hand corner. You're in the New Routine screen. Choose Enter Routine Name by selecting the plus on the right-hand side. Type in the name and hit Next. Click the plus next to When This Happens. Select Smart Home. Select the device and select Open. Click Next. You can select the Anytime and change if you would like to select a specific time when the sensor is to run. For this demonstration, we're not going to use the time. Select the white plus sign next to Add Action and choose Alexa Says. Then select Customized. Here I'm going to write my name. I've got mail. I'm going to enter a couple commas for a natural pause. Then choose Next. And now that I've entered the customized message, it's going to ask me which device I would like this announced from. I'm going to select a Lydia's Echo Dot and save. Now, I'm going to launch Alexa and go to Devices. I'm going to choose All Devices and then select Jason's mailFi sensor. My mailFi sensor shows a status of closed, so I'm going to change it.